To start our year right and well, let me suggest 3S: silence, simplicity, and steadfastness. First, begin with silence, meaning to say, create space each day to pause, to pray, and listen to God before listening to the noise of the world. Because clarity is born in quiet solitude. Second, choose simplicity. Declutter your schedule, your commitments, and even your expectations, focusing only on what truly leads you closer to God and to becoming a better person every day. Set fewer goals but clearer ones, like habits that shape your days, not resolutions that fade by January. So, my dear friends, start with what is practical, like fixing your prayer time, clean what needs cleaning in your life, like your schedule, your room, your relationships maybe, and forgive what must be forgiven and let go of what no longer gives life. And the final S, I suggest practice steadfastness. Meaning to say, commit to small but faithful actions done daily, especially when motivation fades, trusting that perseverance, not perfection, builds a meaningful year. In short, what I'm trying to say, be consistent. Start this year not by rushing, but by walking calmly with God, knowing that steady steps guided by grace will lead you where you need to be. My friends, start the year by trusting that God is already ahead of you. Pray daily, love intentionally, and take each day as a grace, not as a race. Blessed and Happy New Year to all of you.